Hi folks, Jeff Goldstein here, coming to you with a quick review of the MC9400, the latest entry into a legendary series for Zebra Technologies. It's already a popular product as it maintains a supply chain standard design that customers love. So, considering the MC9300 is also highly rated, let's begin by contrasting what's inside. Compared to the MC93, the MC94 has 2.5 times more processing speed, double the storage capacity, and runs on 75% less system latency with the help of Android 17. Scanning-wise, the MC9400 has an overall reach of 100 feet, and its read range is 10 to 25% better than the MC9300. And as for power performance, the MC9400 uses high-capacity, hot-swappable batteries and runs Bluetooth 5.3, which helps minimize power usage. This is also the first MC9 device that comes Wi-Fi 6E ready, which allows these infrastructure users to take advantage of faster transfer rates and a larger channel capacity. So besides the essentials, what makes this series great is the combination of its minimalist design with new innovations that add value with each release. Here's 8 features that capture exactly that in the MC9400. The move to a green laser aim in extended range versions is more than cosmetic. In fact, this change has created a 7-fold improvement in visibility over previous models. The optional BLE batteries can help users find their device even when powered down, which is great for large or dense facilities. Biometric facial recognition features have added another layer of security over company data. The drop specs on concrete for the 9400 exceed military standards, reaching an impressive 12 feet. A built-in heated touch panel activates when frigid temperatures are reached, which is useful in cold storage facilities. The MC9400 is rated a non-incendiary device, making it safe from flammable gases and materials. Avanti All-Touch terminal emulation is preloaded and licensed right out of the box. 100% of the MC9300's accessories are compatible with the MC9400, and the same may apply for older MC9 series equipment with an adapter. Customers can keep their legacy devices and integrate MC9400s into the field as needed. The same use cases you have trusted its predecessors for can be trusted with the MC9400, not to mention any facility you've seen an MC9 device in before will be a good home for the new release. If you purchase an MC9400 with a One Solution as a Service plan, you'll also gain an ally that can deploy, maintain, monitor, and manage your devices in real time at one fixed monthly rate. For more on the MC9400 and the One Solution, check out the information on the screen for more.